Alright everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So to begin with, here is the beans we'll be using. I'll be using honey beans. You can decide to use the white one known as iron beans, but I love honey beans. So keep watching because I'm going to be showing you the process on how to prepare this properly. So this is already selected off camera. Please be sure to select yours to avoid eating stone. So number one step we're going to be taking is to transfer this into a clean bowl and then add enough water to cover it up. Now the part that floats on top, why you should add water to cover it up is to allow the particles not needed float on top, and once it floats, gently pour them out, exactly what you see me do on the screen. So those particles are the remains from the processing method, so I also repeat the process until all the particles float and then I pour them out. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share and comment, and don't forget to watch the ads, and don't forget to watch the playlist because I have lots and lots of delicious recipes, Nigerian traditional food, and lots more in my playlist. So after rinsing this thoroughly, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add more water, the soaking process. I call this the soaking process. So I will add water to cover it just the way you see it on the screen and allow it to soak for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes, you notice that it has doubled the size. Now what I'm going to do is to just throw out the water. Now the reason for this is for those who usually have heartburn after eating beans, or who fart a lot after eating beans. Doing it this way help to reduce all of that problem. You can also decide to boil, throw away the water, but I prefer to soak and then throw away the water. Then after that, I'll transfer this into already boiling water, as you can see on the screen, and after that I will cover it to cook for at least 20 to 30 minutes. So while that is aside, here is our rice. Now for rice, I'm using short grain and it is locally processed rice. So you can choose to use basmati or any other long grain. So to prepare this now, I'll be transferring warm water, like not really hot, into the rice in the bowl, and then use my turning stick to stir it because it's hot, so my hand can't go in there everywhere. So after that, I will just allow it to sit in that water for at least 20 minutes. Then after that, I will wash it up and then give it a thorough wash. The reason for this is to reduce the starch inside, So some will prefer to boil and throw away and then start cooking it, but I choose to do it this way because it's a local rice. Boiling it will make it overcooked. So after doing this, I set it aside, and here is the only ingredients we'll be using. This is just I'm not going to be using tomatoes, it's just one, and then more of pepper, red chili pepper, and onion. So we're not doing some stir fry. Just keep watching and see how I prepare this. Okay, so after washing this off camera, I just cut them into smaller size. You can decide to blend yours if you don't like the cutting method, everyone. So after cutting, I set that aside. For protein, I'll be using freshly smoked microfish, and then to prepare it for this recipe, for this our food, I just simply cut off the head and then open it into two parts and begin to remove all the particles, like the intestines, all the particles not needed for this food. Everyone, I won't be throwing away the head. Only thing I did is just to remove all the parts not needed, because that head is important, everyone, because it has this aroma and flavor to it. There's jollof beans and rice, jollof rice, everyone. So keep watching. After that, I gave it a thorough wash and set it aside. Now let's check our beans. After 20 to 30 minutes, it's soft enough to pull to add in the rice. So here I will add the already washed rice. Hello, if you've watched my video up to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that bell and also the notification bell to get alerts when I post a new video on this channel. Now, on how to store your beans for future use, not the cooked one, everyone, I'll be leaving a link at the description box down below on how to store your honey beans when they are in season, so you have a lot to eat when they are out of season. All right, so after checking adding the rice, the next thing I did is to add the pepper and onion, then the already smoked fish, seasoning to taste, salt to taste, and then the palm oil. We are not using vegetable oil, we're using palm oil. Remember, it is the locally rice and beans jollof, everyone. This was super delicious. The aroma was so thick, so much that I have to share it with you, everyone. So I just have to use my turning stick to stir this to blend together. After that, I'll be covering it to cook on a medium flame for at least 30 minutes, everyone. Remember, the beans is half done already and the rice is local rice, so it doesn't take time to cook, everyone. So after mixing this to combine, I'll be just covering it to allow to cook, everyone. Keep watching, don't go away, we are not done yet. Keep watching and don't forget to like and share. So after 30 minutes, the water has almost dried up, so at this point I just take the turning stick and stir again, mix until everything blends together, and then I will cover it, cook again. At this point I don't need to add more water. Remember, the rice is local rice unless you are using the long grain. So everyone, after covering it again for 5 minutes, I'll just go ahead and stir it to combine once more, and it is ready to be served with a chilled drink. And this can be eaten as afternoon food, breakfast, and even dinner. It is this salt because it's a local rice, short grain, very short grain, but if you use the long grain, it's going to be superb. So what matters is the process of preparing it. You can use long grain to achieve a better result, not the sticking results. All right, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in my next video, and bye for now.